Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Ps5 and the TV, then go straight to Settings, Screen and Video. Once there, make sure the HDMI connection is active and the console recognizes your display. You do this so the brightness controls you change are applied to the active output. Next, select Video Output and check resolution. Make sure output matches the TV capability. This avoids clipped range or dimming. Now you're ready to change HDR and brightness controls with immediate feedback. Once in Video Output, choose Adjust HDR or the brightness slider and follow the on-screen test pattern. Increase the slider in small increments while watching Highlight Detail. This preserves star detail and prevents clipping. Make sure to check midtones and blacks. Adjust contrast or gamma if your TV supports it, because those settings affect perceived brightness. After each change, confirm with a short gameplay clip so motion and shadow detail remain natural. If needed, repeat until the image is balanced for your room lighting. Finish by saving settings and testing in a few different games and the Ps5 UI to ensure consistency. Games handle HDR differently. If the image still seems off, tweak your TV's picture mode, use game mode, or raise the backlight for a brighter panel. Make sure Ps5 system software and your TV firmware are up to date. If the screen is dim or washed out, toggle HDR off to compare. And double-check the HDMI cable and port for compatibility. That often fixes strange brightness issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.